In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping options in Wix. Whether you're launching a new online store or looking to refine your existing shipping process, setting up your shipping options is a crucial step in managing customer expectations and ensuring a smooth delivery process. Let's dive right in and explore how you can configure these options on the Wix platform. First, you'll want to start by navigating to wix.com. Go ahead and log in using your account credentials, bringing you to your Wix dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the Select Site option. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you're selecting the one you wish to configure shipping for. This step will ensure that any changes you make will apply to the correct website. After selecting your site, the next step is to access the Settings panel. The Settings page is your control center for customizing your site's features. And in this context, it will help us set up specific shipping parameters. Once you're on the Settings page, look for an option labeled Shipping, Delivery, and Fulfillment. Clicking on this link will lead you further into the shipping configuration settings. To personalize your shipping settings, you'll want to begin by clicking on Create Region. This is where you specify where you're able to ship your products. By establishing different regions, you can cater to varying shipping requirements and costs. Select the region you want to ship to, keeping in mind your target market and any geographical restrictions you might face. Now, select the specific destinations within these regions. The flexibility here is great for businesses that ship internationally or have diverse shipping requirements based on location. Once you've determined your destinations, click on Next to proceed. Your next task is to select Add Rate. This option allows you to define how much it costs to ship to each region or destination. Here you can set flat rates, weight-based rates, or even offer free shipping if you prefer. Make sure the shipping rates you set align with your budgeting and pricing strategy. Once shipping rates are set, consider adding local delivery options. This is particularly useful if you serve a smaller, local customer base or want to offer quick delivery within a specific area. Likewise, you have the option to add Pickup. This allows customers to visit your physical location to pick up orders, which can save both time and shipping costs. Once you've added all necessary shipping methods, be it regional rates, local delivery, or pickup, review the information to ensure everything is set up correctly. Finally, to save all the changes, click on Continue. This final step will lock in your settings, making your shipping options live for your customers. By following these steps, you've successfully set up shipping options in Wix, creating a streamlined, buyer-friendly process that caters to both your needs and those of your customers.